Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos. I'm going to start this project off with this wood round that I got at Dollar Tree. It came with the hanger on it, and I am going to give this a couple of coats of this color called Seashell Pink. It's just a very light pink color. I painted the whole inside, but I left a little bit around the edge of the natural wood. So once that is all painted and dry, I'm going to set that aside, and I'm going to paint this cutout from Hobby Lobby that says love with the same color pink. And I believe I ended up doing 2 coats on this as well as the round. And I'm just quickly doing it. I'm not getting the edges or anything, just the lettering on the front. So once that was all done and dry, I'm going to take the wood round and my love back, and then I am going to take this heart doily that I got at Hobby Lobby, and I am going to Mod Podge that right onto the front of my wood round. So I'm just going to add some Mod Podge to my wood round, and then I am going to lay the doily on top of that. I also got this doily at Hobby Lobby. And then I went around and made sure that I got all of my edges. Make sure that it was all stuck down well. A few spots were still sticking up. Make sure that I get those. And now it is all attached, and I love these little doilies. And they actually say love on them in the center, but we're going to cover that up right now. I got this burlap heart at Hobby Lobby also. It came in a pack of like 12 of them, I think. I'm going to lay that right in the center of the doily heart. I just used some hot glue for that. And you could just always cut out your own. Then I'm going to glue the word love on the top of all of that. So I'm just going to add some hot glue around that and lay that right on top of both of those hearts in the center of the wood round. And look at how cute this is. So I thought it needed one more thing. So I had this little paper rose, and these are also from Hobby Lobby in the scrapbook section. And I'm just going to add that right there, and that is it. I think this turned out so super cute. It was really easy to make, and I love the colors because they're just neutrals. They're not that bright red that people like for Valentine's Day. I really like the neutrals for Valentine's Day. And I think this just turned out so super cute. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this project. I hope it inspires you to make one. And as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.